Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Pearson Solution. This time it's our Excel 2G inventory project, Excel 2021 project, and the name of project is Excel 2G inventory. In the following project you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the inventory of bulbs and trees at the facility. Okay, we will do that. So first of all you have to download your files from here. Like this is the Pearson portal. I already downloaded these files. Okay, so this theme will also be downloaded along these files, so keep this on the place where you can easily find these files. Okay, I will close this because I have already downloaded these files. Just close it off and come to the Excel tab. Open the Excel workbook. This is the name of the student and this is the file. So this is the file. I am doing it for one of my student, Peasant. Okay. So we will start from step number 2. It is saying that you have to change the theme to the slice. Let's come get it here so we can. It's a window 11, so it has some bugs in it. Okay, so we have to change the theme to the slice. Come to the page layout tab, then under the themes click the down arrow. You will see the slice theme. Just click it here. Just click it and this will be applied to this worksheet. Okay, just apply it. Rename the sheet 1 as bulbs. Okay, this is sheet 1. Double click here and write the name bulbs of this sheet. Click the enter button so the sheet name is applied. And the sheet 2 as trees. Okay, I will show you. The first method was like double clicking the sheet name, and in this way you can edit the name of the sheet. Second method is like click on the sheet 2, right click and then click the rename button. Okay, this is the rename button. We have to click that so we can edit the name of the worksheet. Then paste the name here. Sorry, type the name here, do not paste it like me. You cannot do anything like me. Okay, I will use a lot of shortcuts that you cannot apply. If you apply that shortcut, then your step will be wrong. You have to type the word trees here. Click OK. Enter button. Sorry, do not click OK. OK is not in the tab. Then make the bulbs sheet active. This is the most important step. Do not do anything on the trees sheet here. So we are on the trees sheet. Just click the bulbs sheet so that you perform all the steps on the right sheet. If you do it on these two sheets are almost similar, so you have to perform the next step on this worksheet, bulb worksheet. You have to click on the bulb worksheet. Okay, come to the step number 3. It is saying that to the right of column B you have to insert 2 new blank column C and D. Okay, we will do that. First method is like insert the individual blank column. Click column C. This is the right of B, and then click insert. First column is inserted. Then again click C and click insert. Then column number D is inserted. There we go. So 2 new blank columns are inserted. This is the one method to do this step. I will show you another. These 2 column C and D are on the right of column B, so we have to select both of these columns, then right click and click insert. There we go. So 2 blank columns are inserted at the same time. This is the most recommended method that you should use. Okay, then come to the Word document instruction file. It is saying that by using flash fill in the 2 new columns, you have to split the data in column B into the column C and D named, this is the heading of column C and this is the heading of column D. So we have this column B which includes item number and then category of that item. Okay, this column, so column B includes two things, item number or item code, and the second one is category, and we have to split that data into the two empty columns like C and D. Just press the enter button and come here, C14, come to the cell C15 and then type the item code 121239. Click enter button, 1265, click the enter button. Now select these two cells and drag it down to the row where the data is ending. So it's row number 42. We have to drag it, select these two and then drag select all the blank cells beneath these cells. Then come to the home tab. In the editing group, click that cell and then click the flash fill. We have to fill this data using the flash fill. We cannot type each code separately. This will waste a lot of our time. So you will use this flash fill. You can use the shortcut command like Control E. Press the flash fill. There we go. These codes are inserted against each cell in column C. 1356, 1356, 1436, 1436. There we go. Till row number 42. It's right. Okay. Now you will put the name of category in column D. So name of first category is daffodils. Okay. Daffodils. Then press the enter button. If you will now try to enter the second name daffodil, it will then give the suggestion of flash fill. Then you have to press the enter button like this. Daffodils again. Oh, okay, so this was what I was looking for. If you will try to type Tilias, then it will give the suggestion of flash fill. What you have to do, you have to press the enter button and then this category name is flash filled in this column D. Okay, so the data in column B is split into now two columns in column C and D, codes and their category. This is what we have done. So step number 3 is done. Now we have to move on to the step number 4. We have to type item space hash as a column title in column C. Item space hash, click the enter button. Then we have to type the column title in column D. Okay, column D, there we go. Now we have successfully split the data in column B into the column C and D. So column B is not needed, no longer necessary, so we have to delete that column. Just select the column and press delete. There we go. It is now saying that you have to use the cut and paste command to put the data in column C into the column G, then delete the empty column C. So we will select column C, then use Control X shortcut key to cut the cells in column C, then click the column G and use shortcut key Control V to paste the data in C into the G. There we go. So we have shifted the data in column C into the column G using the cut and paste command. There we go. And then we have to delete this empty column. Right click and then press delete. There we go. So the last part of this step is we have to apply AutoFit to the column A to F. Select the column from A to F. Come to the Home tab. Under the Home tabs in the Cells group, click the Format, then AutoFit column width. There we go. We have AutoFit this. It is now saying that you have to display the trees worksheet. Okay, we will try to display we'll just display it. Trees worksheet, and then repeat the step 3 and 4 on this worksheet. So we have to repeat these two steps on this worksheet also. Okay, we have to quickly do this. Select these two, select these two to the bottom of C42, then use the flash fill. Okay, now you have to put the category, not trees, shade trees, then delete the column B, cut and paste it in. So we have performed these two steps on the trees worksheet as well. Sorry, we forget to apply the AutoFit to A to F. A to F, apply AutoFit. So we are on the step number 6, the most highly weighted step of this assignment. This step equals to 14 grades. Okay, make the following calculations in each of two worksheets without grouping the worksheets. Okay, we will not group these worksheets. In cell B4 you have to enter a function to sum the quantity in stock. Okay, in cell B4 to sum the quantity in stock. First we will do it on bulk worksheet. In cell B4 we have to sum the, press equal, then sum. Something serious is going on outside of my house. Dogs are barking seriously. Okay, we will ignore them. Just click the sum function, then select this range and press enter. There we go. So it is calculated. Total quantity in stock is calculated in cell B4. Then apply the comma style with 0 decimal places to the result. Apply the comma style. You can do it from here. Cell style, comma with 0 decimal places. There we go. So we have to do it on trees worksheet as well. styles, comma with 0 decimal places. Come to the bulb sheet again. In cells B5 to B8, enter the formulas to calculate the average, median, lowest and the highest retail prices, then apply the accounting number format. Okay, we have to do it on each of two worksheets without grouping the worksheet. We cannot group these worksheets so that action perform on the one worksheet is also perform on the other worksheet at the same time. We cannot do that. We have to do it on each worksheet separately. So this is the bulb worksheet, then equal, put the average function here. What we have to average of the retail prices. Okay, we have to select this range. So there we go, we have selected this range. Now we will calculate the median price here, median retail price. Select this range, then press enter. This is the median price, this is the average, this is the median. Median means the most repeated, like. Then we have to calculate the lowest, put the minimum function, minimum retail price. There we go, press the enter button. Then we have to calculate the highest price, put the maximum function, max. There we go, it's not maximini. Do anybody know the maximini? Then you can write in the comment box that who is Maximini. He's a comedian, very famous comedian. Retail price, there we go. Highest, minimum, median, average and the sum. Comma style with 0 decimal places. Sorry, we have to apply the comma style with 0 decimal places to this, and then apply the accounting number format to B5 to B8. B5 to B8, apply the accounting number format from here. Just do that. We have calculated, so we have performed this part of step number 6 on the bulb worksheet. Now we will do it on the same, we will perform the same step on trees worksheet. So we have to click here and put the average. We have to do it quickly. Average of the retail price. There we go. Press enter. Then click the P6 and put the median function. There we go. Select the range from which we have to select the median retail price. There we go. This is the median retail price. Then we have to calculate the minimum retail price. Put the minimum function, select the range and press enter. There we go. And in the last we have to calculate the maximum retail price. Put the max. There we go. There we go. Click the, and then we have to apply the accounting number format to these cells. Okay, we have applied, and comma style with 0 decimal places is applied to this one. So our step number 6 is also completed. Now we will move on to the step number 7 of this assignment. So this is step number 7. In each of the two worksheets, make the following calculations without groupings. We have to perform the same thing that we did in the step 6, like we have to put some functions on both of these worksheets separately without grouping them. So in B10 we have to enter a function countif to determine how many different types of tulips are in stock on the bulb worksheet and how many different types of evergreen are in the stock on the trees worksheet. So we'll try to put the countif function in cell B10 on the first on the bulb worksheet with the type tulips. Sorry, which cell? In cell B10. This is B10 and you have to, there are two ways to put the function, like this is the one method to like directly put the countif function from here, but I would prefer that you have to put the function like, first of all try this one. I think this will work very better, very quickly give the results. You have to select the range. So what we have to do, enter to calculate how many different types of are in stock on the bulb worksheet. This is our range. Okay, then we will put the criteria. The name of criteria is tulips. Then press the enter button. It gives us the result set. There are 5 types of tulips in this category. Okay, then we will try to put this formula on the trees worksheet. Evergreen types, this was the tulips types. How many tulip types are there in this column? 5. And how many evergreen types are in this column? We will try to put the countif function in a different way. Like this time we will put the countif function from here. Logical, just come to the insert function, then put the name here, countif, press enter, and this is the, just double click that. Now you have to select the range from where you have to count the number of evergreen trees. This is the range, this is our range. And what category we are looking for? We are looking for evergreen plant. Evergreens. Okay, just click the OK button and it gives us how many evergreen or how many evergreen types are in the category column. There we go. These are 4. These are 4 in number. So I have shown you 7 steps of this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want a full course deal, then I am here. I will give you a very fine price. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. I can do the other courses like accounting, finance, mathematics, statistics, and a lot of other subjects. After completing this assignment, I will show you how many grades I got. So thank you so much for watching and look for the grade. There we go. We have uploaded our file and we will submit it for grading. There we go. Submitting your project for grading. Here you can see the grades, 100%, 100 point out of 100. If you need these results on your portal also, you can hit me on WhatsApp or email. It's very easy to communicate on WhatsApp. I would recommend you to connect with me on WhatsApp so I can help you in any subject you want. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye from this. I will see you another video. Goodbye from